man, blood. You ready, yeah?
Yes,
You know what this shit is, yeah?
This is how we roll. We see it.
Take the tin, man.
You don't know, eh?
평화로운 일상을 깨뜨리며 모두를 위협하고 있는 악질적인 양아치들. 결국 비극적인 사건이 발생하고 이 소식에 놀란 해리가 잠에서 깨어납니다. 간단히 아침 식사를 한 뒤 외출 준비를 하는 해리. 해리는 아내가 있는 병원으로 가려 하지만 하필 지름길인 터널이 양아치들의 활동지였기에 어쩔 수 없이 매일 돌아가야만 했는데요.
Morning, sister. How's she today?
She's had a difficult night.
Okay, my love.
아내인 캐스는 건강 상태가 많이 좋지 않았죠.
Same again, Harry.
Yeah, cheers.
이제 늙은 해리가 의지할 수 있는 사람이라곤 절친인 레너드뿐이었는데요.
Make it two, Sid. Everything all right, Lynn?
Fine. How's your Kath?
I don't think she knows I'm there anymore.
She knows.
두 사람이 대화하던 그때
All right, Kev. So it's a 20 bag, yeah?
Did you see that?
Well,
They don't even try to hide it now. I found a needle in the toilets last week.
you think Sid'd say something?
What's he gonna do, eh? Call the police? Bollocks.
현재 해리가 사는 동네의 치안은 매우 안 좋아 양아치들이 버젓이 약물을 거래하고 있을 정도였습니다. 그날 밤 큰 소음을 들은 해리. 해리는 차를 훔치다 들키자 차주인을 죽일 듯이 패버리는 양아치들을 목격합니다. 하지만 늙은 해리가 할 수 있는 것이라곤 침묵뿐이었죠.
Hello?
그런데 그날 밤 해리는 아내가 위독하다는 전화를 받습니다. 한시가 급한 상황이었지만 해리는 용기가 부족해 차마 양아치들이 있는 지름길로 가지 못하고 말죠. 결국 해리는 아내의 마지막을 옆에서 지켜주지 못했습니다. 이때 슬퍼하는 해리를 레너드가 위로해주지만 잠시 후 레너드는 숨겨왔던 속마음을 털어놓는데요.
I'm scared, Harry. They pushed dog shit through my letterbox. One of them spat in my face. You know the ones. I'm not going to take it anymore.
그러더니 레너드는 해리가 선물했던 낡은 군용칼을 꺼냅니다.
God in heaven. What are you doing with that, Lynn? No. You should talk to the police.
I've already been to the police.
그렇게 해리는 또다시 용기가 부족해 레너드가 떠나는 뒷모습을 바라봐야만 했죠. 다음 날 해리를 찾아온 경찰들.
Mr. Harry Brown,
Yes.
police.
What's this all about?
Do you think we could sit down?
Yeah.
결국 해리는 내심 두려워했던 소식을 듣게 됩니다.
I'm sorry to have to tell you, but last night Mr. Leonard Atwell was involved in a very serious incident.
Lynn? What happened? Is he all right?
No, I'm afraid not, Mr. Brown. Mr. Atwell is dead.
What happened?
He was assaulted. late last night.
What, where, huh?
No. He was found in the pedestrian walkway.
터널 속에서 끔찍한 상태로 발견되고만 레너드.
Did you find out who did it?
I'm afraid the investigation's still in progress. If there's anything you can help us with, Mr. Brown, please get in touch. Well, we'll see ourselves out.
잠시 후 어느 가정집. 경찰은 양아치들의 두목인 노을의 집을 찾아왔는데요.
Hey, you're always fucking picking on it!
No!
What's all the fucking noise about? Who's this, your new bitch?
Right. No, Winters, I'm arresting you on suspicion of murder.
mate, I fucking
You
don't
can't
know,
say
am I?
anything, but it might-
My fucking arm, cunt!
You leave him alone! This is Harris.
그렇게 노을과 양아치들이 취조실로 끌려갑니다.
Tell me about Mr. Atwell.
Who's that?
You know, Mr. Atwell, the nice old man that you and your mates murdered in the subway.
Don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
No comment. No comment. It's like a catchphrase, isn't it?
하지만 결정적인 증거는 없었고 결국 경찰들은 노을을 풀어줄 수밖에 없었죠.
If you got something on me, then fucking charge me. If you don't, well, you gotta let me go, yeah.
그 사이 해리는 레너드와 아내의 조촐한 장례식을 치르고 있었습니다.
Renegade sick.
Have you had enough, Harry?
Who's got a complaint?
그날 저녁 만취한 상태로 돌아가려던 해리. 해리가 비틀거리며 집으로 가려던 그때
Give me your fucking money, man. You're fucking dead. Give me your fucking money, man.
해리는 술기운의 남자를 그만 죽여버리고 마는데요. 그렇게 해리는 우선 증거를 모두 없애버리죠. 다음 날 또다시 경찰이 해리의 집을 찾습니다.
I thought I might drop by for a quick word if that's all right. I'm sorry, is this an inconvenient time for you?
Come in.
You were in the Marines?
Yes.
점잖은 해리가 해병 출신이었던 것에 놀라며 경찰은 레너드 사건에 관한 얘기를 꺼내는데요.
We recovered the murder weapon at the scene. It had Mr. Atwell's fingerprints on it, as well as fibers from his coat, suggesting that the knife belonged to him. Mr. Atwell never served in the forces.
No.
You didn't give it to him, did you?
No. Another word. He was using it as protection. I mean, that man, he was frightened, terrified. These kids on the estate, they were harassing him. He came to me and asked me for help. I said, why don't you go and talk to the police?
Well, that was the right thing to do.
Oh, was it? He told me to talk to the police, and what did you lot do? Nothing.
Counsel will argue that whoever killed Mr. Atwell did so out of self-defense, which means they'll be charged with manslaughter, not murder.
Jesus Christ. You came here to tell me that.
I won't take up any more of your time.
그렇게 해리는 법으로 양아치들을 쉽게 단죄할 수 없다는 걸 깨닫고 좌절합니다. 결국 해리는 아내의 유품을 보다 자신의 손으로 직접 복수를 하겠다고 다짐하죠. 그날 밤 해리는 행동에 나서는데요.
What the fuck do you want?
I'd like to do some business.
Put the fucking gun down, Kenneth. So what do you want?
I want to cut.
해리의 말에 남자는 당황하지만 많은 돈을 준다는 말에 해리를 안쪽으로 데려갑니다. 하지만 안쪽은 해리의 생각보다 더 추악한 곳이었는데요.
Is she okay?
She likes to cuddle, this one. 50 quid all in, you can do what you fucking want to it. What's the matter? Hey? Can't you get your cock hard anymore, old man? Because we got plenty of the little blue tablet there.
Jessica.
긴장된 분위기 속에 남자의 부하가 총가방을 가지고 돌아옵니다.
You up on a Glock 17, right? 9mm semi. Is it a load?
남자의 말은 귀에 들어오지 않고 해리는 계속해서 쓰러진 여자가 신경 쓰이는데요.
You sure she's okay? Maybe we should take her to the hospital.
What did you just say?
Your girlfriend needs a doctor.
She ain't no business. She's my business. You pay for your gun and fuck off before I hurt you.
결국 양아치들은 해리가 준 여러 번의 기회에도 응답하지 않았죠.
So you were saying 700 for the 38?
Yeah.
잠시 후 해리는 총에 맞은 남자를 발견하는데요.
You failed to maintain your weapon, son. I don't reckon you got long. You should have called an ambulance for the girl.
그렇게 여자를 구출한 뒤 해리는 이곳을 불바다로 만들어버립니다. 그리고 해리는 여자를 병원에 데려다 주죠.
None of it makes any sense.
경찰들은 누가 공장을 폭파시키고 여자를 병원으로 데려왔는지 그저 의문만 가질 뿐입니다. 그 사이 다음 타겟을 정하고 있는 해리. 이때 해리의 눈에 대머리 남성이 눈에 들어오는데요.
Fucking uncle of yours, he took a ton of gear off me, and now he's gonna pay up.
I'm gonna pay you, man.
Marky, get in the car.
잠시 후 서늘한 바람이 불어오던 그때
Wait, fucking wait!
해리는 옆에 있던 남자를 납치해 레너드에 대해 물어보려 합니다.
Tell me what happened in the subway with Leonard. Marky.
Who's Leonard?
He's the man you and your mates murdered. Tell me what happened to Leonard.
Fuck off! Fucking hell!
You tell me the truth. I won't hurt you anymore.
Fuck off, alright? Fucking shit!
Now listen. If you won't tell me, I'm going to do both your kneecaps. Because I don't think you take much more of this.
Alright. There was this one old fella.
결국 남자는 그날 있었던 일을 말하는데요.
Fuck, he told us he was gonna stab us. Like, we told him to fuck off, like, gave him a chance, but he wouldn't go. Gave him a couple of slaps, that's all, man.
What makes you think I should believe you?
Fuck, I couldn't give a shit, could I?
Well, you should.
Oh, fucking
if you ever want to walk again.
Fuck off! Oh, fucking wait. Fuck.
Goodbye, Marky.
I got the whole fucking thing on my phone.
You what?
I'm sorry, man. It was just retaliating, bro.
Where's the phone?
In my pocket.
잠시 후 해리는 남자가 찍은 동영상에서 레너드의 처참한 모습을 보고야 말죠.
Sorry. It wasn't me that stabbed him.
Who did?
한편 이런 해리의 분노를 알리 없는 양아치들. 심상치 않은 소리에 양아치들이 멈춰서는데요.
He's got a gun.
Who's got a fucking gun? Who's got a fucking gun?
Boy, it's fucking you, man.
Fuck this.
Fucking hell, come on. Fucking hell.
이때 해리가 어둠 속에서 나타납니다. 해리는 쏜살같이 도망치는 남자를 뒤쫓아가지만 더 이상 몸이 따라주지 않는 것을 느낍니다. 다음 날 병원에서 눈을 뜬 해리.
Do you remember me? I'm Sergeant Terry Hickok. Sorry, sir. I just got to ask you a couple of questions. Is that okay?
Excuse me. If you want to interview Mr. Brown, then you'll have to come back. He's not well enough to answer any of your questions.
No, of course. What exactly is wrong with Mr. Brown?
Emphysema. For more information, you'll have to speak with a doctor.
Oh, wait. Here, sorry.
Thank you.
잠시 후 경찰 알리스는 해리가 단순한 이유로 병원에 온 것이 아니라고 의심합니다.
Is this exactly where Mr. Brown was found?
Yes, ma'am. Uniform said he was having trouble breathing and he couldn't answer any of their questions.
What do you think he was doing here?
Taking a piss, walking his dog.
I smelled cordite on his coat.
하지만 80에 가까운 노인이 양아치들과 싸우며 여성을 구했을 거란 알리스의 말은 쉽사리 믿을 만한 말은 아니었는데요.
Apologies, sir.
I have 13 warrants to execute on the estate. I hope your witness was worth it.
The witness proved unreliable, sir. Claims not to have seen anything.
Sir, I don't think Harry Brown is a witness. I think he's our chief suspect.
I'm sorry, I was under the impression Uniform found an elderly gentleman on the tape line.
Yes, that's right. That's correct, sir. Mr. Brown is a close friend of Leonard Atwell, the senior citizen found stabbed in the pedestrian subway. It's the same pedestrian subway where last night's shooting took place, and both victims were questioned in connection with Mr. Atwell's death. It's too much of a coincidence that Mr. Brown just happened to be found so close by.
So what you're telling me is this escalating violence is down to a vigilante pensioner?
Yes.
Do you have any evidence to support that?
Not at the moment, sir, no, but I'd like to get a warrant so I can have Mr. Brown's clothes tested for gunfire residue.
알리스는 포기하지 않고 계속 설득을 해보지만 결국 퇴짜를 맞고 말죠.
Take the weekend for yourself, Alice.
그리고 잠시 후 대대적인 범죄 소탕 작전이 진행됩니다. 그 사이 해리가 정신을 차리는데요. 경찰과 양아치들의 대치가 격해지는 사이 해리는 자신의 마지막 할 일을 위해 병원을 떠나죠.
I've just spoken to the hospital. He's discharged himself. I think he's going to the estate. I think he's going to kill Noel Winters.
Who gives a fuck if he is? Noel Winters is a cunt. His dad was a cunt. One day he's going to have loads of cunty kids. As far as I'm concerned, Harry Brown's doing us a favour.
하지만 알리스의 끈질긴 설득으로 인해 남자는 알리스와 함께 노어를 쫓아보기로 합니다. 잠시 후 두 사람은 전쟁터를 방불케 하는 곳에 도착하는데요. 그때 양아치들의 공격을 받는 이들. 그렇게 두 사람은 사고를 당하고 남자는 치명상을 입고 맙니다. 그런데 이때 이쪽으로 다가오는 해리. 해리는 단골 술집 주인인 시드의 도움을 받는데요.
Get an ambulance. Don't move, son. You'll be all right. Get an ambulance.
Yeah, I'll.
You all right, love?
그때 알리스는 해리의 주머니에서 총을 발견합니다.
You shoot Noel for what he did to Leonard, and Sid shoots you.
Sid? What's Sid got to do with it?
Sid Rourke's Noel Winters' uncle.
이때 해리는 충격적인 사실을 듣게 되죠.
Where's Noel? Uncle Sid.
Get out here now. Put that down.
Fuck that. This thing old cunt killed Marky and Carl.
I told you to put it down. Come on, Harry. You're not going to shoot a kid when there's two coppers upstairs, are you?
He killed Leonard.
He swore to me that he didn't. Now, what am I supposed to do? It's my sister's boy. He's blood.
Blood? Do you want to see Leonard's blood? These fucking animals filmed the whole thing on their fucking phones.
그렇게 시드는 노얼이 엄청난 짓을 저질렀다는 걸 알게 됩니다.
I defended him when I shouldn't have. But I can't let you shoot him, Harry. I can't have that. You all right, Harry? You okay, me old mate?
급격히 무리한 탓에 해리의 체력이 바닥을 드러내던 그때 그 시각 알리스가 무전으로 도움을 요청합니다.
Officers need assistance. Armed response. Come in. Over.
Still drinking there, love? Hey? You fucking slag. Fucking dirty bitch. Look at me. Look up. Fucking scared. Told you I fucked you, didn't I,
You see this? This is the sort of thing I'm talking about. It's not a fucking game. Now, in future, you do as you are fucking told. Yeah? Okay. We do them in here. Dump them on the street. That way it'll look like they got caught in a shitstorm. He's half done already.
결국 시드는 끔찍한 짓을 저지르고 맙니다.
See that? Nice and easy.
Don't know, you fucking snake. Go on, fucking look at me. It'll be the last fucking thing you see when you die. Go on, struggle. Struggle. Go on, yeah.
알리스의 의식이 점점 흐려지던 그때
God, do me a favor. Pull the trigger. Do it. Please.
다음 날 범죄 소탕 작전에 대한 보고가 시작되는데요.
Can you confirm or deny the rumors that a number of deaths on the estate are attributed to a vigilante?
Both the findings of the committee and the police investigation have found no evidence to support such a theory. It undermines the work of the police force and ultimately does a disservice to members of the public who support it. Now, as I made clear many months ago, we operate and apply a zero-tolerance policy since blighted the lives of the silent majority.
이렇게 해리가 조용히 걸어가는 뒷모습으로 영화 해리 브라운은 막을 내립니다.